Pregnancy is a time when it's completely normal to question whether what you're putting in your body is safe. That baby means everything to you. And as a mum, I get that. And what I would say to these people is it's absolutely okay to bring these questions to your GP. And if I was your GP, I would tell you that the RSV vaccine is completely safe. It's undergone rigorous testing and it's already being used in a lot of other countries. It's safe to get at the same time as those other vaccines that you're already getting in pregnancy, like your whooping cough and your flu vaccine.